Hello, welcome to missionmentors.in. Today we have with us in this special edition Dr. Srinivas Sri, who is the chief founder and mentor of missionmentors.in. He is an educationist for more than 2 decades in all the fields of education. Today we welcome Dr. Srinivas Sri, who will enlighten us that what is Mission Mentors and what is the aim of Mission Mentors vision. Welcome, Dr. Srinivas Sri.
Hi, Dr. Pradeep. Thank you very much. Indeed, it's a great pleasure to me to brief about the missionmentors.in and the portal in detail. And all of you are mentors and part of our this big project, and we all have been enjoying that in talking to various group of people and all. And today I found that why not I give little details the functionality of this portal. So it's a beautiful portal and high-end technology portal where we have planted various technologies like algorithms were very well nurtured, and AI tools and a lot of search engine optimization. The technically what we call that that people should get facilitate and get explore as high possible the quality information. So this portal having various verticals. One of the vertical is the directory of the institutions, that schools, colleges, B schools, engineering colleges, and private and all kinds of university, including NITs, IITs, IIMs. And this job has been done so far as a voluntary job, and we have not taken any money or anything investment from anybody, but we created a platform where the institution and the parents and students can explore the information about the programs available, the campuses available across the different cities and different regions, zones and states. So that's what are basically fundamental. And we have a learning zone. This learning zone facilitates the different subjects and programs that which institution, if they want, they can upload their programs. Even our mentors are in the process of uploading. And we have a blog also. This blog will have a various categories starting from basic schooling to higher education, lifestyle, innovation, technology, and various domain of interest of the public. So this is basic fundamental, and we have research doing also, which will be coming up shortly. And Dr. Pradeep, this is all about it.
Excellent.
We tried it our best of all level.
Excellent. First of all, I think I should congratulate you because this will benefit not only the national, but I think in the end of the day, it will be an international portal where all the students across the globe can benefit from whatever you're doing. It's an amazing platform.
Now, they see what happens here. The basic interest of developing this portal to give a comfort in the education domain. Whether it's an institution, they should get also right kind of students always with them, so that the right kind of nurturing will happen. And where a student and parent is concerned, they should also get a right institution so that they will study well. So since being in academic field for last 30 years, not two decades, it's almost we are crossing the 30 plus years now. And being a technology savvy, I felt like this is one of the best thing that I can do to the community. And this is a very, before we go further and technically, I would like to explain in detail by my screen sharing, so that the respective institutions can understand about it, the parents can understand, students can understand, and the industry at large, they can also understand it. Okay, then what happens here is today is a digital world, a digital space. We all need to create a digital space. When you create digital space, and you have the possibility of getting better things for everybody. So let me have this opportunity to technically explain everybody what we are and how I'll share my screen, and I'll also show you.
The stage is all yours.
No. We will discuss. It is a two-way traffic. It cannot be one way. So let me take this opportunity. So Dr. Gupta, if you see, very interestingly, the moment I just click Mission Mentors, we have come first. See, this is a
congratulations.
We have come first.
Congratulations.
I didn't use our domain name, but .in and all. The moment I clicked in the Google, so this recently, this few, you can see thousands of views and all out there. Recently, we started this project launch, and you can see that how. And when I say that Mission Mentors, a portal for promotion of top schools, colleges, universities, online learning for all programs with special focus on career counseling and professional guidance for successful life. So we are just not only doing information, we are thinking for the career counseling, the professional guidance. You know that we have been always talking that career counseling and guidance is very important.
Yeah.
So that is the one. Then if you see that everywhere we are in a line. Our first domain, missionmentors.in, is the first rank, and second, education Mission Mentors is in second. And of course, there are a lot of, in the same domain with various, US based, some companies are there from US based one, and they also do that. And or the group of mentors, you can see the galaxy of group. It's 60 plus mentors here, and you will surprised to see another thing which I'm going to show you. Suppose I just go and click on the images. Everywhere you will find only Mission Mentors. See, this is taken, and this our teamwork and all of whatever we worked here. Everywhere you see that in the images. These all Facebook postings, LinkedIn, YouTube. Various we covered a lot. So that means what happens if. In the name of Mission Mentors, if anybody searches, see all our mentors, everywhere our mentors, all our mentors, and it's a great job that we could achieve. Most of them are mentors, and 70% the space is occupied by us now in form of images. And when you go to videos also, you'll find, initially we get our videos only. So this is one of the good news, and overall, to get located our services and all, there are a lot of things are there. Now, let me, and also in always our, this position keeps on changing the mentors picks here. So every mentor has got an equal opportunity. Now, I think you agree me if I take you to the main page now.
Yeah, sure.
Shall I? Yeah. Now, this is our main site. We are in a Zoom call, so normally in a Zoom recording, it takes little time.
Okay. So meanwhile, I'll ask you a question, which is very curious. What sort of mentors are in this group? From which education field or which professional field have these mentors joined this amazing educational portal to offer their expert mentorship?
Exactly. The moment you finish your question, we are on. See, if you see that our mentors are from various verticals. See, all what you see in this page, they are all our mentors, and they, I think yesterday we have uploaded one very senior professor with an IIT, and similarly, and you see Pushpa Vaghela, she's from Australia, and you'll find Dr. Shubha Dharmana, and you see Dr. Abi Mamada. Such, you find this is an HR, and you'll find he's an HR, she's a mountaineer, and you'll see that the categories you can understand here, we have the mentors from various verticals, boarding schools, business schools, then commerce and management, then we have engineering and technology, social work, doctors, philosophers, writers, authors, and liberal arts. say anything that we included, because life is not only engineering and medicine or MBA. Life is a completely coefficient of every discipline. So that way we have done. And now when we come here, you see the site which I'm going to show you. The site is contains linked with social media and all, and there's a part of registration for the student, registration for the institution, and also Facebook is linked here, and all social, not only Facebook, all social media are linked here, and you can see here social media, every social media here. Then when you come to the verticalization, we have about us here, then learning zone for school and higher education, then all the mentors, various kinds of mentors, then school smart search is there, institutional smart search is there. When we come to blog, again in the blog, we can see that in the blog again, education, industry, innovation, technology, business school, and it's keep on, the list, that's what we are looking for. Then upcoming areas are research in the management, research in the engineering. Then we'll be shortly backing up some of our services to the e-commerce also. So now the interesting part, I think you would like to accept that. Shall I take you to the tour?
Yeah, please.
The institutions. And the bank of institution which we have created, the bank of institution. Then we'll go to the smart search. And see, this is education mission mentors .in. Education mentors mission mentors.in. This is a domain which will have all the institutions. Of course, we will also keep here leaders of land that includes both education and industry, such as CEOs, CFOs, CMOs, and CXOs of industry, and chairman, vice chancellors, principal directors of various institutions. We'll keep them because they are the leaders of education. Now, one section we have a boarding and international schools. When we explore, we'll get number of schools will come into the picture. Similarly, we have business schools, and you have the same pattern here, and also engineering colleges. Then you have private universities, deemed universities, and state universities, central and NITs and IITs. The reason for creating this to facilitate students, to facilitate educational institution, because see, we have not only, they both be private and public, both the university, domain institutions we've included. Our motto is not only, to benefit anybody. See, by including all this, with due respect to all institutions, we have not, see, this is a productive way of, providing information to the claimant groups. Here, nobody is going to lose anything. Everybody is going to get benefit. So the benefit of information through digitalization is very important. Now, let me take for example, I'll show you one business school. You are an academician and you also run institutions. So definitely you would like to see the institution should have complete information. For example, I take, let's say that one business school. See, in this business school, you can see that in this business school, we have created, not only in this business school, but all the business schools which we have uploaded are having a microsite like this. So this microsite will have a cover page or including pics and things, and the complete information about the institution. You'll find the name of the institution, then affiliated to whom they are affiliated, and if they have any grade in the NAAC and all, that will be there, and complete communication with the phone numbers, emails and all, including website, and complete write-up about the institution. This is, we have written small because we, as a pilot, once the institution register with us more in detail, as much as they will give, we will upload, and also we will create a gallery as much as comfortable with our portal loading capacity. Then all social media links are integrated, so that apart from the microsite, if they want to go in detail about this institution, they can see through social media reviews, remarks and all, and also they can see other institutions if they like it. Then comes to your, if we see that we have integrated for the programs also. If you type programs, you can see the programs are available. What are the programs they offer? Then they can provide a list of articles, or they can upload themselves also. Then comes to the web links. In this microsite, instead of holding data, we feel authentic that whatever the student they come into our portal, we would like to route them directly to the institution. So there's no point in holding. See, what we get benefit of holding. Say it is not a data collection, organization. It is giving a freedom to access the institution. So the web links directly, the student can go to their site, and their site, whatever the applications are here like that, they can fill directly to them, and the institution, respective institution, will get benefit directly, and they can have the fruits of being participate with missionmentors.in or education.missionmentors.in, all our group only. So again, the student want to go to another institution, he can come back again, he can navigate himself or herself to back. Now let's say if I see this, all institutions are 2000 plus institutions are there. So similarly, if I want to show an engineering group, I can show complete engineering colleges. I think it's 856 engineering top colleges are here. We have uploaded. We have been using all this data and to facilitate the institutions and parents.
Excellent. So basically what I can see as a layman, if anybody wants to come, you have through your educational portal, which is amazing. What I can see is like a buffet of all the educational institutes, and I find it so easy to navigate that if you click, then it can straight away go from the social links to the institutes, and a child or student or a parent can directly connect with the institute. That is amazing.
Yes.
So this is going to be very beneficial for the student and the institute directly or indirectly. That's amazing.
See, I'm clicking somewhere. This is another institution, maybe JNU Hyderabad. This is, so you can see the 5 ticks and all. Again, the same kind of thing what I've shown in business school and other engineering colleges. Even here also, if they want to go to website, they're complete the direct that college, that institution website they can. So they have a advantage directly visiting and trying to understand. And again, they can come back here, and similarly they can be here again.
Right.
So this is all about. You will find every institutions are like here only, and premier institutions. Suppose I show you, Indian School of Business, Hyderabad. So these are the top premier institutions. So we have done same thing to everybody.
So you have covered, I think nothing is left. You have covered the topmost institutions children and students and parents are looking forward to. And this is really amazing, whatever you have done.
Yeah. Now, Dr. Pradeep, now the very specific things are there which will, benefit like anything. See, here when we go, this portal, this particularly, we are giving so much of information, and what happens, we will not only this portal static information we keep on updating, while having this we keep on writing on the blogs. The institution who are going to register with us, whatever microsite we have given a very nominal services charges for us to keep maintaining all this the services, and we will do basic services and also the advanced services, the strategic creation of a lot of utility services which will benefit the institution and parents and students. That always we are here. Our email crm.missionmentors.in is there. You can mail us, and we customize also. And also what we do that we conduct webinars about different courses. We'll conduct mentorship for the students to understand what could be the see depending on the student's ability, depending on the parents' financial condition, depending on various factors to select the best institution in the country. And this is the first year we are coming up with this. And similarly, all mentors, all schools, blogs, everything we'll keep on updating. And this is going to be a very big project globally also, because our objective is to, when you go to About Us, we are here to touch millions of students with quality, education, supporting with quality education. See, the enlightening the future work, authentic life, and a sustainable education aimed through mentorship, adopting new age practices and technology towards human excellence by innovation, creation, and inspiration. See, these are the words of 30 years of, passionate in education. These are the words, and these are the sentences. Is not just commercial sentences. These are the sentences inhaled, exhaled, statements to really get into practice, to connect education, career, future work, to develop learning patterns of multidisciplinary. It is not only a portal we can do it. We need to be partnering with the quality institutions across the country, across the world. When we partner, we provide technology, we provide infrastructure through our LMS. Now, we have an LMS platform. There's LMS platform like Learning Zone. When we go here, you'll find commerce, management, engineering, everything. So when I search here, you'll find, see, this is an LMS platform again. See, every courses are here. Every institution will have a freedom with us. We'll train them. We'll give the infrastructure to upload their courses and all. And these are, everybody is commerce and management is there, core science is there. Every area is there. We'll have some free courses, some paid services. So a combination of both, because the student should be serious. When a small investment could then make a serious about achieving certain things. This an LMS platform is there. Then this LMS platform gives a competitive edge being digital for an institution. Then what we have, again I'll come back. See, we have very strategic objectives that need to be achieved, and I'm really inspired by Dr. Abdul Kalam during my interactions and all, and it was a great opportunity in my previous campus where I met him. Certain values, this mission mentors is a mission towards excellence of human transformation through technology, as I said, innovation, creation, and inspiration. So various areas that we can cover for the well-being of everybody. Dr. Pradeep, I thank every mentor who are with us. It's not just their profile. All the mentors, all the institutions with whom I have been for the last 30 years, worked under their guidance with different class 1 chairmen, class 1 trustees, the great people of the country with whom I worked the last 30 years, and people like friends like you, many mentors, all this really a great energy for me, in carving a niche for every parent, student, and an institution. So I extend my sincere thanks to every chairman, every vice chancellor, every professor, principal of this country who are really doing a great service in education. We are a tiny part of this process, but we will try to put our efforts. And Dr.
That
Pradeep,
is amazing. That is really amazing. And I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate once again that you have got this amazing array of top-notch mentors and keeping them together and bringing them to on this platform. This itself is a huge successful task which you have managed, and it is really commendable. And with these mentors, I'm sure this portal is going to be an amazing success. And I really wish you all the best in your future and all the endeavors. And I really, from my heart, I wish you the pinnacle of success,
That's
which
wonderful.
this mission mentor is actually deserving to be.
Dr. Pradeep, a few last words which I would like to, the gratitude to this land, the gratitude to the whole education community, the gratitude to all mentors, parents, students who are a part of our progress, in the education domain. The wisdom what we have is a God gift actually. It's a God gift, and I can say that only we keep on serving everybody, and I think service is the main destiny for being human, and we adopt technology, and technology only facilitate, but the core service to the community, core service to humanity, core service to the parents who normally dream big for every kid. We are also parents. With all karma, we should work towards excellence of human excellence and human endurance, whatever you call. Dr. Pradeep, thank you very much for being with me today. And before I close the screen, it's really amazing that India is doing very well, because 39 crores of student population, whether it's schooling population around 29 crores, higher education 10 crores, and many countries do not have this population. And do you think that what we are doing is enough? It's very small fraction. So we all need to work towards serving this 39 crores of population, make them physically fit, mentally fit, morally fit, professionally fit, and fit India. We have to make a big India, and that's what our dream is. Mission Mentors. Okay, and I thank you, Dr. Pradeep, for sharing your thoughts and inspiring me to talk to you. And
it's mutual.
It's a mutual.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you very much.
God bless you.
God bless. I'm just stopping
the
recording. I think recording is being stopped. Recording. Yes, recording.